MAC just launched a new mascara. It's called M.a.cstack. Stack on infinite layers of volume. From 10 to 20 to 40 stacks. One of them is made for smaller lashes, that's the micro brush, and then the larger one is the mega brush. I'm gonna try the micro brush. Quick little curl. Here we go. Ooh, one coat. Okay, that looks pretty good. They're fluffy. Let's go in for coat 2. Coat 2, really good separation. Coat 3. I'm gonna get this one caught up. I mean, like, look at that lash. That looks really good. I totally get why this mascara is getting so much hype. It seriously looks like I have a false lash on this eye. Like, it looks like it was tight lined. I am totally gonna keep using this. This might be my new favorite mascara. What do we think? Are you guys gonna be checking it out? Comment below.